Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Bump Boxes unboxing for the month of July. And after this one, only one more month left of unboxing. So let's see what I got. The first item I have here are nursing pads. Eco Nursing Pads, organic bamboo nursing pads, 6-pack, 3 pairs of eco-friendly nursing pads. These reusable breast pads are made of breathable, organic, sustainably harvested bamboo, which is ecologically friendly and washable, making them the best for mom, baby, and the planet. Never heard of reusable nursing pads, but I don't have any yet, so I'll definitely try those out. They come in this little bag. They come in 3 different colors: gray, green, and pink. So yeah, I'll try those out. The next item I have here are these non-slip socks, and at the bottom they say, one says inhale and the other one says exhale. So I might put these in my hospital bag to walk around in the hospital room. Cute colors, sizes 6 through 10, so that will fit me. The next item I have here is this headband. Pretty summer colors, and it has adjustable straps to make it bigger or smaller. So this will come in handy in the summertime when I want to keep the hair out of the face, or when I'm washing my face, putting on a face mask. Stylish headband to keep that hair in place. Very cute. The next item I have here are these oil absorbing sheets, pack of 50. My face gets very oily, so I use these all the time actually. All the oil off my face. Naturally oil absorbing tissue. Soak up any excessive oils and remove shine from your face without smudging your makeup. I don't have any face makeup on right now, but I'll have to try these out when I do have makeup on to see if it doesn't remove my makeup. But it did get a lot of oil off my face. And then the last item I have here is this sealed wet bag. I think I need scissors to cut this out, but it's machine washable, 100% cotton, adjustable handle, so just a pretty design of rainbows. And that is all I have in this month's box. One more month left. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.